Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how to open on-screen keyboard. If for some reason your keyboard or keypad not working. In such a case, you can use the inbuilt feature of Windows OS, the on-screen keyboard. Your typing speed might decline when you use the virtual keyboard. Nonetheless, this is a beneficial tool for all the physically challenged individuals. Whatever, there are plenty of ways to show the keyboard on the screen for different operating systems. But in this video I will show you 3 techniques to launch the on-screen keyboard on Windows 10. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to search bar and search by control panel. Or you can go to control panel anyway. Select view by category and click on Easy of Access. Click on Easy of Access Center. Here click on Start on-screen keyboard. Now you can do whatever you want to do using the on-screen keyboard. Method 2. Go to taskbar and right-click on your mouse. Now from the option select Show Touch Keyboard. After selecting the Show Touch Keyboard option, you will see the keyboard icon in the taskbar. Now click on Keyboard icon on the taskbar. You will see the on-screen keyboard pop up on your screen. If you don't like the view of the keyboard, then by clicking on this option you will see many view, and once from here select any. By using this keyboard you can complete the tasks you need. Method 3. Click on Start menu, and go to Settings. Now click on Easy of Access. Now scroll down in left sidebar. And click on Keyboard option. In right sidebar turn on Keyboard option. You will see the on-screen keyboard pop up on your screen. Method 4. Press Windows plus Control plus O keys simultaneously. Now, wait a second or two, depending on your device speed, for the on-screen keyboard to open. Now you can use it to do your work. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get my update video. Thank you for watching.